Visual inspection complete. Laser alignment confirmed. All tolerances met.
Lower slowly on the east side. We are good on the laser line. Lock the hydraulics now.
Look at the schematic here, we need to adjust the angle.
All right, I'm increasing the amperage slightly.
Temperature steady at 600 degrees Celsius. Keep it moving slow.
Roger that. Moving into position.
Stabilization confirmed.
Perfect. The soak phase continues uninterrupted.
Watch the transition point. Ensure the cooling gradient is stable. Reading nominal. Moving to track 4.
Pressure is released, checking deviation.
Still high on the right side.
Repeat sequence, increase force by 5%.
The flange deviation is well within the acceptable margin.
Confirmed. The scan data matches the specs exactly.
All right, let's finalize the certification.
This specialized primer provides the first line of defense against corrosion, meticulously applied in a controlled environment.
Curing and storage are the final steps before mobilization. Here, the beams are meticulously monitored.
The center of gravity looks good on the plan. What's the readout on axle 5?
All green, load distribution is within tolerance. We are clear for transport.
All clear on the east side. Continue forward. Easy now, easy. And stop. Hold position.
Stopping the rotation.
We are aligned. All rigging confirmed secure. We are clear for the lift.
Roger that. Proceed with tensioning.
All indicators green. We are coming up steady on the main hoist.
Copy that. Maintain sequence.
Control, this is Alpha Team. Beam alignment holding steady. Copy that, Alpha. Continuing traverse, speed 2.
Verify the final alignment on the screen.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
Excellent. Proceed with logging the results.
The infrared reading matches the crayon melt point exactly.
Good. Log that and check the next segment for undercut.
That's a clean return.
Confirmed. Section 34B is clear.
Easy now. Center it up. Looks good. Get the gun ready. Setting the drift pin now.
The load curves are perfectly stable right here.
Confirmed. The data aligns with our models. We can move forward with the next section.
The progressive span extension pushes further across the water, a marvel of modern engineering.
The integration is complete. The load tests look good.
We are fully stabilized and ready for the next stage.
All teams, this is Control. Confirm phase alignment on the east span.
Roger that. Alignment confirmed. We are clear for the next sequence.
Keep it coming slow. Hold position. A little more to the west. Okay, we are clear.
All checks complete. Tolerances verified.
Confirmed. Clear to lift.
All cranes begin the lift sequence. Steady tension.
Crane 2 confirms. Load is stable and lifting.
Roger that. Watch the tag lines. Easy rotation.
Watch the load swing. Keep clear until it passes the pylon.
All right, lower another 5 centimeters. We're showing green on target 4.
Copy that. Steady as she goes.
Deflection holding steady at point 02.
Readings confirmed. Load transfer complete.
All clear.
Sequence complete on joint 4. We have stabilization. All clear.
Check the deviation at midspan.
Reading point 4 millimeters.
Matches the model. We are aligned.
Cycle 50 complete. All green for repositioning.
Bring it down slowly now. Easy, easy. Looks aligned on this side. We're clear below.
The elevation and slope values are within tolerance.
Confirmed. It looks good.
Bring it down slowly, easy now. Looks good here. Get the bolts ready. Holding steady.
The displacement readings are well within tolerance. We are stable.
These high-strength bolts look good.
Confirmed. Marking section 4 complete on the tablet.
Check the bracing connection at the next strut.
The installation of the permanent deck slab requires absolute precision. Every stud is inspected before the concrete pour begins.
All right, bring it down slow. Watch the edge. Clear on this side. Looks good. Lock it in. All right, easy now. Lower it slow. Watch your hands, brother. Looks good. Set it down.
Cover depth and spacing are confirmed within tolerance.
Looks good. Final clearance approved for concrete operations.
The articulated boom extends smoothly across the bridge deck as workers secure the high-capacity hoses for the continuous pour.
Move the hose to the left. Okay, bringing the screed through. Keep that vibrator steady. Keep the vibration steady at 80 hertz. The surface profile looks good on the left side. We need more mix right here before the screed passes.
The thermal gradient is stabilizing nicely. We have consistent hydration.
Yes, the strength gain curve confirms controlled curing.
All right, the compressive strength reports are logged on the tablet. We are clear for waterproofing.
Confirmed. Let's move to the east section.
Keep it straight. Watch the overlap on this side. Looks good. Moving forward.
The base course must be laid with extreme precision. Maintaining temperature is critical for structural integrity.
Density is good here. Temperature checks out. Keep rolling. Make sure that's exactly 12 inches from the curb, all right? Got it. Pulling forward slowly now.